Hey, this is Vishwa. I'm a professional and a certified digital marketer. Today, I'm going to discuss about the best way to make money with Facebook. First of all, many of us will have a question: does Facebook provides an option to each and every user in this world to earn money? Even I too had a question in the previous days, but now my answer to this question is yes. Facebook provides an option for each and every user in this world to earn money. And now, coming to the topic, the best way to earn money with Facebook is two things you should need. One thing is you should have a Facebook page, and next you should create and upload the videos in that Facebook page. And for instance, today we are seeing many videos in Facebook and there are ads running in between the Facebook. That's the best way, and now I'm gonna explain the best way. The way is to create, first you should create a Facebook page. Then after creating the Facebook page, fill the necessary settings for the Facebook page and declare the field of interest. Then post, create relevant videos with respect to the topic and content. Here you should have a note of some few things. What are all those things are? Relevance rate of the video with respect to the content should be high. Then you should have a deep analysis and a clear view of the video before you are going to create. Then after you are convinced with these things, then you can upload the video, and after you upload that video, share this video to your friends, groups, pages, and also in that before uploading this video, tag some of the famous personalities and famous magazines with respect to your field of interest. After you finish all those things, and within some days, with these methods you follow, your video will receive a great reception in terms of large number of views, likes, shares, and also maybe with probably some comments. After then Facebook will send you some ads for your videos. Through those ads, when many users sees your videos and the ads running in between the videos, users will also see those ads. So through this way you will have a probability of earn money through Facebook, and this is the best way to earn money with Facebook. Thank you.